What is the relationship between this materials, the earth, water, fire, air and space, and the three energies Vata, Pitta and Kapha? What is the relationship? The energy of binding Kapha, the energy of cohesion, the glue energy Kapha. Ayurveda says that energy is carried or constituted by the nature of the two elements, the earth and the water. Let us take an example. You take a cup of wheat powder. It is solid, right? Wheat powder. And take water in another cup. It is liquid. So the earth and the water, right? Mix it together. You pour the water into the wheat powder and stir it. What will happen? All the minute wheat particles will stick together to form a single mass, right? The dough with which we make chapati, puri and all. What is making the minutest wheat particle to form that single mass? The water. So the binding nature of the water makes this individual particle to stick together to form a mass. That is a simple explanation of the Kapha energy. The same way, there is binding force within us, coming from this earth and water elements, making everything bind together and stick together, and gives the integrity, gives the grounding, gives the structure. So, Kapha is derived from earth and water. What about Pitta? We know that Pitta is transformational energy. We discussed that. Ayurveda says Pitta is primarily from the fire element. And we have learned, not only in Ayurveda, in the fundamental chemistry itself we learn, right? Without energy exchange, there is no chemical reaction possible. Each and every chemical reaction, each and every transformation of one material to another material either will release heat or energy, or it will absorb heat or energy. Correct? So energy is inevitable. The fire energy is inevitable for any transformation. That is why you need fire to transform the raw vegetable into the cooked, easily digestible. The same way there is, the digestive fire. I explained you about the hydrochloric acid with the acids and the pepsin and the saliva. And the enzymes and other materials within the body that transforms all the food into our energy and our bodily tissues. So Pitta is constituted primarily from the fire. Then what about Vata? Vata is the principle of movement. And what is primarily required to move? It is the space. If there is no space, I will not be able to move. For any movement, any vibration, there is space required. Vata is derived from two elements, the air and the space. That is why air is very free to move, right? Air causes dryness. You wash a cloth and put in the breeze, within few minutes it will become dry. So the air and space constitutes the principle of movement, Vata. So this is the relationship between the five elements and the three principles. We call them as three doshas. Vata, Pitta and Kapha are three doshas. What is dosha? Anything that can go out of balance is called a dosha. So all the three principles in correct balance maintains, Kapha maintains the structural aspect of our life. Pitta manages the transformational aspect of our life, our digestion, our metabolism. So Vata, Pitta and Kapha in relation with the five elements earth, water, fire, air, and space.